You like it? What do you see? What do you see? Do you see piggies? Go this way? Look at the difference. There you go. What colors do you see? Wow.
She's about to turn the page.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You got bubbles? Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
The nose makes noise.
There you go. Want to turn the pages? Okay, here you go.
She's been playing this for about 20 minutes now with this. And still loves it.
Get your bubbles out of there. No bubbles. Peekaboo! Hi. Hi, Brookie. Brookie. Hi. Let's get you sitting up a little bit better. There you go. Hi. Just grabbing at everything, aren't you? Hi. Hey. Hey, look at me. Hi. Can I get a big smile from you? Can I get a big smile from you? Can I get a big smile from you? Woo! Oh, she's not smiling. Hi. 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 You want your book back? You can say that kid and go, K. You want your book back? Do you want your book back?
Okay. Good night.
Here's your book. Ta-da! Oops. You like your book?
Say thanks, Grandma and Grandpa, for this awesome little piggy.
You keep grabbing it.
This is really cool. Good gift. She loves it. You gonna close the book up?
What's this? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I'm not interested in peekaboo.
Good night. See you later.
Bye.